Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing another backtesting session, getting ready for next week and hopefully passing our eval and getting funded. Let's get into this shit. Let's see if we can get our higher win rate than yesterday. Starting off in the 15 minute. Oh, wait. Let me go to New York. Right. Make sure everything's right. Starts off in the 15 minute. Go 15 minute fair value gap here. Internal low. High. Let's see what we do at open. Lower, go higher. Get a 30-second. Yes, we have. Have we got a? Already set that internal high, so I'm gonna leave this trade for now. Straight to our high, so 5 minutes. If we, I'm gonna back a second and show you guys. If we didn't close, above the high, I would have been in that trade, but we closed above the high, so I've lost my break-even point. So we're gonna have to fade that. Tap into a 5 minute for a volley gap. Do we get an inverse? Got an inverse. I'd like to see a bit more displacement. That's definitely good. We're going to be break even very quicker. I'm going to focus 1-to-1. 1-to-1. Boom. And we don't get break even. Next day. That's a great way to start off the session. -15-minute rejection block. Internal low. Super fair value gap. See what we do. Open hat goes higher. We're in the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Let's see if we can get legs lower. We do. The highest time frame. Conversion. It's 30 second. It's not really a clean 30 second. Or if we get a close, I'm just gonna watch. It's a clean change in state. I'd take this trade if I was live. Purely because the structure is really good. We get a clean change in state delivery, and we're in a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Very choppy. Did we take that low? No, we got stopped out. Shit. I'm just getting fucked. Next day. Internal high torque. Got 15-minute lows. See what we want to do at open. Okay. It's just bad structure in this trade. So, but it plays out. I wouldn't say that because we're obviously we've got a 5 minute fair value up and everything. We can see if we can get a continuation, which we do. I'll take this. That's this low. We took that low. I'm gonna go break even. That trade plays out. Nice. Next eight. already in a 15-minute favori gap, which we seem like we might want to go higher, but we don't. Very, very so far, we're already in a 15-minute. So if we can get tap into this 5-minute internal high, just keep watching the 5-minute. If we go into 1 minute, we'll get fucked around with chop. We're in a 5-minute favori gap. Let's see if we can get a leg higher. That's beautiful, but it's not the highest time for inverse. The 3-minute is. We're gonna have to wait. That's our sell right there. This candle. It's not sell, sorry, buy. Stop loss all the way down to the lowest, a big trade. 3,400. Break even. See if we get that 1-to-1. Which we do. Set to close out. Right, so going into the day here, we have a high, low, 15-minute. Got this 15-minute favori gap. Boom, boom. Let's go on to 1 minute. See where we're going. So we're going to start off lower. Do we get... Yep, that's absolutely lovely. And it's equal highs as well. That's a brilliant inverse. Is it inversed? Oh, we can't take this trade now. Because we already hit our break-even point. We can just watch it though. See if we get a 5-minute. 5-minute starts closing lower. Do we get the inverse in the 2-minute? Let's check. Yep, right. I'm gonna go back here because that would be break-even and I'd be in the trade already. Stop loss all the way at the high. Focus that 1-to-1. 2007.40. See if this plays out. Break even. And we get stopped out. It's fine. Let's go next. Is there anything else we can get today? See if a 5-minute open ups maybe. Five-minute change in state. Nothing really. Next day. Be a break even though. Let's go on 15-minute. Sweeping out these 15-minute lows. We've got these 15-minute lows here. 15-minute high. Bang, bang. And we've got this 15-minute suspension block. See what we want to do. Go higher, get a 1-minute change in state. We've already took out our lows there, so I'm going to be looking for a trade to the upside. Let's see if we get this 30-second. We do. Took out this low, which means it's highly a protective low. I'm going to go break even as soon as we touch this rejection block though. Right at the low, focus 1600. Boom. Touch the rejection block, break even. And the trade plays out. Nice. Next day. Let's keep this shit going. Let's keep this shit going. Inside a 15-minute favori gap. See how we want to play this. We start rejecting. Inside this 5-minute as well though, and there's an internal high that has not been swept yet. Open lower, do we get legs higher? I've been a 15-minute, 15-minute intermediate low gets swept. Why did we have that reaction? Because we're in a 1 hour rejection block. Get a 1 minute inverse. I'm going to say it's trade. Stop loss at the low. TP at equal highs. Right there. Do we have a 5 minute? Nope. Just a 5 minute gets shut off. And straight up we go, I'm guessing. Yeah, straight to CP. Next day. Sick. Right, wait. Sorry guys. I was just let's deal with some let's go. 15 minute. Intermediate high. Right here. Well, we've got to be precise. This one right here. Does this 15 minute get closed above? It does, so we've got a 15 minute inverse in a higher time frame. Got a 15 minute intermediate low inside of a 15 minute fair value gap. Let's see what we do here. This already looks like the manipulation. I mean, this is absolutely textbook. We've got 1 minute rejection block, 1 minute sweep of a high, and a 1 minute inverse market before market open. The only problem is we're in a 5 minute gap. If this 5 minute inverses, which it seems to be doing, this is, I'd take this trade. I'd take this trade here. This honestly looks perfect. If this doesn't play out, then I'm good. But I won't tell you. It's to the low. I'm taking this to the low, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, that trade, if I saw that, I'm full porting my full fucking account. That is unbelievable. What a day. What day was that? Thursday, 11th December, guys. Unbelievable, though. That's what we like to see, baby. See if we get this 15 minute. 15 minute opens up. Bullish. How do we want to react? It looks like we're manipulating lower. We've got these highs. These could also be high resistance highs, so we have to see. We're in a 5 minute fair value gap, so I'm not taking anything here. If prices go lower though, I'm taking something. We got this low. We're in a 5 minute bullish fair value gap as well. Change the state of delivery. I'm going to take this. So I'm going to put my stop at this high. Focus a 1 to 1. I'm going to go break even pretty much instantly. As soon as we take that low. Yep, low's took. Break even. And it's break even. It's unlucky, dude. Let's go next day. December was popping off last year. I mean, I obviously traded December. How the fuck I didn't get a payout, I don't know. I must have been like really shit. This is how it was looking. 15 minute bullish. Let's see what we do. If we can sweep out these highs that open, that's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Do we get a close? I would have missed out on this. If I actually trade my strategy, I should be trading my strategy. I would have missed out on this fair value gap. We wicked our break-even point, and then we still had no confirmation of close underneath this 1 minute fair value gap, and just absolutely dumped out. So I would have missed out on this. But we can see we get a pullback maybe. A 5 minute. Keep watching. Go back into a 5 minute fair value gap though. Do we get a? We do get a short. Let's see. This plays out 1 to 1. Let's take out low. Break even. What a month. Break even though. So many trading opportunities in December. We're in a suspension block. Let's see what we're doing. Nothing. Are we not? We're not really in a 5-minute favori gap here. If this, I wouldn't take anything until that. But we've kind of fucked it. Because it's already at our break-even point. So we have to watch the shoot to the moon. Yeah. Shoots to the moon. Then we get low. Because we touched the rejection block. I'd be in the trade here. I'd be in this. 100% so. My stop loss would be all the way at the high. Taxing 2800. Break even. And we dump stuff out next to. Fuck, I wish I knew what I knew going into December with trading, because shit, I'd be like 40 grand up right now eating on this shit. I mean, this is a pre-market trade. We can take it because we got a 5-minute inverse inside of a 5-minute favorigo. We'd be break even as soon as it touches that rejection block though. Break even though. Why am I not going break even at the lower? Because this is a 5-minute rejection block. And that's why. No break even, we just got stopped out. But we got lower anyway. Let's keep watching, see if we get a 5-minute pullback. Watch. Nothing. Next day. Massive 15-minute for Volley-Got. 15-minute for Volley-Got right here. Alright, we've got our rough area of where we want to see manipulation. Let's get this shit going. Why is it done that? Off we go. 5-minute change in state of delivery. 1-minute inverse. Take a 1-to-1 here. Right there. Do we get break even? And a 1-to-1 gets. Oh my god. December? What the fuck was I doing? I was probably still blowing accounts. Guys, this is fucking. This trading month. Oh my god. I would have been 30 for 30. Well, apart from the first 2 trades. Let's see what we're doing now. Take that, now let's see manipulation from here. We don't want to. 5-minute fair value gap opens up. Do we tap into the 5-minute? Tap into the 5-minute. Do we get an inverse? No inverse. No trade. No trade there. Okay. How do we play this? So we mark out grade the opening hours, and then it'll be right here to here. Grade that, and we're probably going to see price visit back down there, so we can just see. We're in a 1 hour further we go. I want to see the upside here. I want to see us manipulate and go high. If we come down here, then it's fine. Tap into a 5 minute, sorry. For anyone who wants to see me grade the shit, there's the 5 minute. Do we get an inverse? I mean, guys, December. Oh my fucking god! What a fucking week! What a month! Break even. 1-to-1 smash. Do we go lower? We go lower. You probably could have held all the way down for the lows. Yep, you could have held all the way down here. I mean, unbelievable. Next day. $15 min further we got right here. Equal lows in the 15-min time frame. See what we want to do. Manipulate lower so we can tap into the 15-minute hopefully. Nope, we go higher. Pull back into the 5-minute. Risky inverse because we're doing so much shenanigans. We do get the inverse though. I'll take this. Of course. My stop loss would be there. Once again, not 1-to-1. And this would be break even. I can't put it break even though. It's fucked up, man. So I'm just gonna cancel out of that because I would have been break even. Next day. High swept. 15-minute low, 15-minute low. Do we have a 5-minute? 5-minute change of state of delivery. 1 minute accumulation. Let's go higher and then manipulate lower. Or go high. Or go lower and manipulate higher. That could also do. Why are we manipulating it though? Because we took out the 15-minute low and a 15-minute further we go. 15-minute low, 15-minute further we go. It's just beautiful. This full month, it's just wow. Wow, wow, wow. 5-minute right there. Break even. If we hit this point, break even. That may be too soon. Yeah. It's a good job we won't break even because we go lower. Still in that 15-minute for we got. And as you can tell, shit the next session. Still really good 9:30 trade opportunity. Could have played out. 15-minute for I got, 15-minute for I got. Rejection block, we've already tapped into it. We'll go lower and then visit that. So market opens, we go higher. It's actually great to be honest. Do we get the 5-minute inverse? No. Nope, but I would have been in this because we would have tapped into the 5-minute. Tap into the 5-minute here. Break even here. There's our inverse. There's our 1-to-1. Break even. And it's break even. I'm gonna keep looking this day though, because this just looks like something could be here. And we'd be off the market next day. inside a 15 minute. 15 minute intermediate high, 15 minute low, 15 minute low inside of a further gap. Let's see what we're gonna do. Bang, 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 bang. We go lower, do we get the 1 minute inverse to the upside? Guys, December. Oh my god. December. Holy fuck. I should be a millionaire. Break even at the high. Break even though. A lot of break evens. But at least we're not losing money. We go higher. We go higher. No inverse so far. We get this 1 minute inverse. And this is also the first presented fair value gap, so this is going to play out. So I'd take this trade purely because this is the first presented fair value gap. And we've inversed it. So I'd go break even at this low right here. This could be a rejection block though. Which turns out to be broken in break even. Do we get a 1-to-1? Oh, we fall just short of the 1-to-1. Next day. Where are we? Where are we? There we are. 15 minute fair value gap opened up. 15 minute rejection block. I mean, this is where you just see, boom, manipulation goes in one way. Alright, I'll take a trade to the other side. Watch. Go higher here. 1 minute. Suspected. Do we have a 2 minute? We have a 2 minute. 2 minutes being inversed. 3 minutes being inversed. Break even. 1-to-1. Smashed. Day's done. These are protective lows. Why? Because they've been swept. 1360 right there. 1-to-1. Break even. Let's see if we get our trade. Another break even! What the fuck? Such good setups though. Such good setups. And yeah, I mean, break evens and then fucking rips. Story of my life. 15 minute intermediate low. 15 minute high. 15 minute fair value gap. Which is also a propulsion block. See what we're going to do. Manipulate lower. It gives us a 4 minute. Is the 4 minute? Nope. 4 minute doesn't inverse. 1 minute. We get a 1 minute inverse. We know what the draw on liquidity is, so we can go break even at draw on liquidity and hope it goes further down for a 1-to-1. And we'd be break even. Next day. Have we just done this day? What? No, I don't think we have. Do we go lower? Yeah, we just done this day. Next session. Super fair value gap. Bang. What does that mean? Very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish. Let's see, manipulation lower. There's our manipulation. Very big manipulation. We disrespect the full fair value gap. Can we get a 5 minute continuation? Yes, we can. Tap into the 5 minute door. Do we get a inverse fair value gap? 3 minute. Do we get that 3 minute? You get the 3 minute, but it's break even very quicker. Give me a sec, guys. Okay, 10 o'clock. We get the 3 minute inverse. I'll be in this. We're going to be break even straight away. Focus on 1-to-1. 1370. Right here, bang. 1-to-1. Break even. Break even again. Next session. And we're done. Let's see our win rate, guys. Summary. Boom! 90%. 90%. Come on. 88% win rate. See, guys? I know how to trade. I just need to stop being a fucking spaz sometimes. Well, that's the vid. Hopefully we can go to next week and get funded again. Get a payout again. It's a bit.